Yep, that is a real bummer. And today, we're gonna go ahead and replace this whole top dash section with a new repop. I'm Jason, and that is Project Street Queen. And this is my first ever purchase from Temu.
You gotta be kidding!
And you can tell it was delivered by FedEx because it was almost delivered in multiple pieces.
Nice move, FedEx.
It was hanging out this side. Somebody had poked their hand through here, or something poked through here on this side. Our actual dash panel wasn't really damaged. Something poked through right here. It was wrapped up. I've taken it out to kind of take a look at it. Oh, and I also got a new rear light and fog light control box because my fog light button is completely broken out. We'll see how that works too. And this guy came with new vents and a complete topside panel. Now I'm gonna be careful with this because when I took my original dash out to do some work, it came out fine and then it shattered into pieces. Hopefully this one's not gonna do that. And you can see I ordered black instead of the dark gray because I would prefer to have a black dash. The only problem I'm gonna run into is it doesn't come with this handle. So I might have to try to paint the current handle that I have if I can't find a black one. This actually looks fantastic, like it's gonna work really well. Even with it coming out of the box, it held up and nothing is broken. So I'm actually really excited. Let's get the current dash out so that we can compare them side to side. To get our current dash out, we have to get our grab handle, our
Wait a minute, this gives me an idea.
Our vents, that's the word I'm looking for, and our A-pillars out. In the A-pillar, there is a piece that clips in right here. So you want to try to pull straight back towards you, like that. See this guy? It most definitely wants to break. In fact, the one on my driver's side is broken. And then you got to disconnect your little tweeter if you have it up here. To get our vents out, these just pop out. So, and this guy has little clips right here. See the white clip? If you push that in, it releases your pull handle. You gotta try to pull both of them at the same time though. There we go. Now we've got our Phillips, our 7 mils, and then we should have a pair of Phillips on either side here.
Yep. Okay.
That's broken.
Okay.
Nope. So it should just pop out. Need the mount for my CTS. Well, there's clearly a color difference, and that's on me. I ordered the black and not the dark gray. And that's because I wanted black, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of color work on the inside, but man, all the parts look perfect. It's got all the little tabs. It doesn't have the little springs on there. We have to get those off. It's got the side tabs, the fronts. It looks like, to me, it's gonna be a perfect fit. With our dash out, should be pretty easy to try to get our Temu switch installed. Let's see. Your whole cluster panel switch buttons here comes out with these little metal tangs on the corners at the top and the bottom. I think I might be missing one down here, I'm not sure. And then our actual fog light switch has a clip at the top and the bottom here. If we pull this guy out, rotate it, we can see one of them right there. So we're gonna try and push and pull at the same time here. Get one screwdriver in, get another. Ooh, there was a little popping going on there. I'm pushing from behind and it's coming a little bit. Well, There went that tab. Top one just ripped right out. Now we can actually see how to unplug this. There we go. Okay, let's try it out first. The lights work. See them in there?
No.
You see if the fog lights are on? All right. How about the bed light?
On. Off.
Sweet, everything works. I'll just stuff it back in. All right, now it looks a lot nicer than my other switches though. And clip this back into place. That's definitely our first Temu win. Now for the dash. Before we get the dash in, we got to put our side vents in. They just slide in and there's a little alignment pin. They pop in. They're not quite the right color because I'm doing a color change here, but I'll take care of these later. There it is. This guy was an insanely tight fit, so doing it right here out of the truck was definitely the easier way to do it. All right, can you put your hand on the top so I can push up? There we go. All right. Now, those are the clips at the back that we're trying to get attached. I think the whole thing has to slide in together. Go like this across the back. Are we clipped into these? That did it.
Okay.
So it's because we had to clip in.
Made it really push.
Yeah.
Got it.
Dude, that looks freaking amazing. I'm very stoked. High five. No creaks. Beautiful. Now for one of our last pieces. Tough part. Sick! Look how nice that came together.
Blend's pretty good.
So was it a Temu failure or a Temu win? Well, I'm gonna call this an absolute win. For my very first purchase, I'm actually very much surprised. The fitment on both sides of the dash is great, up along the windshield, right where I'd want it to be. The color looks fantastic, even though it's not the color that my truck was, because I'm kind of doing a dash color change. That meant that I had to change the color of my oh shit handle on the passenger side. And to do that, I used the SEM color coat, this stuff here in satin black. I'll have a link to it down below. I bought it on Amazon. I'll also have a link to get the Temu app with a $100 coupon code, as well as this dash and my fog light button, because my old one was broken and looked silly. Man, am I surprised at how good this looks. I'll tell you, using the Temu app is kind of difficult. I'm kind of old. Maybe that's the problem, because it's constantly giving you pop-ups and telling you to buy other things and discount codes and yada, yada, yada. Find the stuff that you want, buy it, get it on your truck and make that baby nice again. Anyhow, I really appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know down below what I should do next. I'm thinking I'm gonna replace my steering wheel buttons because they're all jacked up and the lights don't work and, you know, old truck problems. Yeah, anyhow, comments, like, subscribe, join the channel, do the things to support. I am thankful for you guys that have joined the channel. You really do help. We'll see you guys in the next one.